yesterday we went for a walk and there was this bird, so we're going to see if it's still there alive. And if it is, we're going to take it home. Let's go. Watch out, it's hard. Oh, crap, for Missy.
What?
For Messi?
Yes. It was somewhere down here.
I know where all the other rocks. Look out.
You should put this on your blog.
You should be on YouTube.
Yeah, that's what I meant.
Yeah. Okay, come on.
Wait, can I put my Crocs in sport mode first?
Yeah. Wait, look at down. Yeah. It's over there.
We're so close.
Fingers crossed it's still alive, guys.
And still
Everyone who
there.
watches this, fingers crossed.
And please subscribe so we can help it and help it get a home and make sure it doesn't die.
yeah.
Okay, now we should actually run. Okay, we should get slow. I might get frightened.
You remember us? Betty! Betty, Betty! Hold this. Ready?
Maybe his mom picked it up.
Oh, Betty!
What? What happened to him?
Let's go sweet my bigger bird. He was trying to come. Probably when he was trying to come to us. I'm sorry. Aww. Do you think we should dig a grave?
Yeah, let's put it in the box and then we can dig a grave later. That poor bird. It was so young.
Yeah. Maybe we should just put it somewhere. I'm so sorry.
Why are there ants all over him? It's probably from a saw.
No, he was dead. That's why ants are all over him.
That poor bird.
I'm so sorry.
I can't believe it.
Can't believe we weren't allowed to come see him yesterday.
And we couldn't have put him in the box then.
And we could have just carried him.
Yeah. One rule. If you ever see a poor bird,
Always take it home first before it dies.
yeah,
But we weren't allowed to.
put it in there.
No, I'm not putting it in there because Sarah thinks it's...
We need to dig a grave for it. Whoever killed it, they're gonna be my enemy. That was a very precious bird.
Come on.
Rest in peace.
Come on. Poor bird.
Yeah. I wish we could have gone it yesterday.
Yeah.
I hope we find another bird while we're walking that's similar. Check on all the spots because there could be another bird that's
We found him here.
I thought it was over there.
Yeah, it was over there. Never mind.
But we did find him on one of these things.
Oh. Thanks a lot, Sarah. Now we can done it.
If we could, would help it so much.
I was joking, Sarah.
Can't believe that happened. Well, look at that tree. Can't get carried away.
We even prayed at my house for it to be right.
And
It's not. Oh, it's not my house. It's my dad's house.
what are we supposed to do now?
We are in Mackay. I live in Harvey Bay.
I can't believe we let that thing die.
I think it was actually trying to get us because I think it was trying to like hop to find us when we were walking.
Probably. And then something.
Because of how kind I was to him. Wait, what if his soul's flying around you? Because you know souls can fly around people?
Yeah, they only fly around the people that they love.
So he could be flying around his mum or us.
Or his dad. Or his siblings or something, if he had any. Once I found a raven, we thought it was a crow, and and it had a dead baby sibling next to it, and we had to help it, and we gave it seeds. We thought it was a crow, but it was actually a raven, and its mum picked it up, and now it's all healthy. We still help it sometimes when it's like when.
You run around again. This is right. Yesterday, me and Ava had instincts that we had to go save it.
I was sure that something would happen badly
Yeah, same.
if we didn't pick him up. Whatever animal hurt him, he must have got.
Could have been a cat.
Yeah, but he had no sores on him. It must have been some sort of, I don't
Or a
know.
bigger bird. Or a dog.
Yeah, maybe it bit it or something because,
Or he just died from no food.
probably.
Because he was just laying there. He wasn't like blood everywhere or anything.
Yeah, if something hurted it, it would probably have blood. Even a fish.
Fish can't hurt birds.
Yeah.
Birds eat fish.
Mhm.
Well, see you next time if you find a bird.
Yep, and if we find one, we're going to make sure we actually get it this
Bye.
time.